I'm a product of the first quarter storm, and we wanted to serve the people. And I felt that the most concrete way you can serve someone is if you're his or her doctor to cure them of their illnesses. No, but as you went along into the health sector, you found out that when you teach, you multiply the number of people that you help, and later on, you will find out that if you can craft good policies, you will be able to help even millions. No, so parang sa akin, that showed me that this is the way to go. Good policy in health.
I chose to become a doctor, I think, due to the influence of my mother. Nurse kasi siya. So, nung kabataan ko, dinadala niya kami nung kapatid ko sa ospital. Doon kami tumatambay, nami-meet namin yung mga katrabaho niyang mga doktor, nurses, midwives, medtechs, attendants. Naging playground namin essentially yung ospital. So, it parang became natural for me to go into medicine even before realizing that medicine was a service profession. Talagang parang ginusto kong maging doktor prior to fully understanding ano ba talaga ang ibig sabihin ng medisina.
My greatest achievement, I think, although many will claim that they were the ones, but I was part of a team. In fact, I led a team when I was with the Department of Health that drafted the original social health insurance bill. So I felt that was able to help probably millions, no? And it was always it always made you happy when you hear people say na, naku, kung wala yung PhilHealth, paano na ngayon ako? Mabuti may PhilHealth, no? So the original draft of that bill was crafted by my team.
I got interested in health economics when I was assigned sa Department of Health. At that time, binubuo yung health sector reform agenda under our former secretary and former UPCM Dean, Quasi Romualdez. Na-appreciate ko yung value nung economics sa paggawa ng polisiya at lalo na sa pagmamanage ng resources ng isang departamento. Pero aksidente lang din na napunta ako ng economics kasi hindi ko naman alam na nag-exist yung field at that time. Hindi ko rin alam na marami pala siyang math. Kaya medyo nangamote ho ako nung graduate school. Isa lang ang nag-motivate sa akin na hindi ako babalik ng DOH na talunan. Kaya natapos ko yung economics degree ko.
They say that there are differences in generations. Generation Z is different from millennials from Generation X. But I think the desire to help people in need should always be there. No? There are younger doctors whose desire would be to travel, to buy expensive cars, but I think they should maintain that desire, that compassion for people who go to them, because the people who go to you as a doctor are the people who are sick, who need help. And I think that's what you should develop as a doctor.
Ang mensahe ko po sa ating mga Golden Jubilarian ay maraming salamat po sa inspirasyon na inyong binigay sa amin. At higit sa lahat, sa inyong pagtuturo sa amin para kami maging ganap na mga manggagamot. Hindi po kami magiging ano kami ngayon kung wala kayo. At nais ko po sanang ipaabot na patuloy nyo kaming gabayan pa rin. Kahit 50 anyos na ho kami pa rin nangangailangan ng inyong gabay. At maraming salamat po. At sana magkita pa po tayo sa aming Golden Jubilee. At kayo naman po Nasa Centennial Jubilee na during that time.